Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda NC750X. This is the dual clutch automatic transmission model with ABS brakes, twin cylinder, smooth as silk, beautiful sport touring machine. It's got a lot of add-ons, including this windscreen with the adjustable guide. We also have the stock windscreen, hand guards, heated electric grips, engine guards, running lights. It's also got a really nice custom saddle, super comfortable for long trips. Only 3,600 miles on this gorgeous NC750X with the automatic transmission. Come on by, make your lightweight sport touring dreams come true with this great Honda. Only $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Check out those lights in the front, really bright. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.